Hello, my name is Cesar Spinozzi. I want to briefly share with you the product I designed and the process I follow to do it. And then in the email, I will try to answer all the questions sent on the email to speed up the process. First of all, let me show you what I did and how I did it. I take this TaskflowAI challenge. I start with the research using AI, ChatGPT, sometimes Claude. Try to understand the main goals of the users in this kind of situations. Once I understood all the pain points and the most important ones, I try to figure out also how the AI could help the user to achieve their challenges, their goals, sorry. And then, I start exploring how to do it using different chats in Vercel, in V0. So each one try to solve it in different ways. I copy the parts I like the most and try to create like a unified version of them. So after I create like this kind of images, I paste again in one chat that was better than the others, and going and returning to between Vercel, V0 and the Figma. I try to working on the typography, the colors, and I create like some basic components to speed up the process. It was sometimes easier to create a part of the component and paste it on V0. So here is the result. I try to focus on have a really simple user experience, not full of information, dashboard and anything, just the goal to complete tasks and calculate risk, and how to speed up the process. So first of all, the user can create a task and speed up presentation process, for example, and select a client and assign a priority and a date, for example. So the AI could create the description, estimated time dedicate to it, and subtasks that could be done to make it not so difficult to achieve, and the user can create it. Then the user also can use the AI to create like a draft, for example, if it's sending an email or something, just to have like a draft of how to achieve that task, leave comments, etc. Also can mark as complete, or also here the user can break some tasks into two simpler tasks, track the time. For example, if it can move a date, or for example, if the user cannot do this today, maybe you can do it tomorrow, and everything can estimate the risk because of the time the task takes and the date they due, and the volume of task can calculate a risk of if they could be complete or not. Also, AI insights and actions context aware suggestions to help the user to understand, okay, this is, I don't know, in risk, so you can reprioritize or delegate, or this is really short, let's do this to start speed up the complete part, or see the risky ones that maybe are not the same that are on today's plate. Filter by projects and this kind of thing, obviously. Create new projects, calendar, move the task from one to another. And also, well, a Kanban view, a really simple Kanban view to play. Finally, in this view, mobile view, the user can search. Can view the rest too. So that's a little bit of the product. And finally, to share with you, I think I did. I record this video several times, but just in case, sometimes for me it was easier to work with the code directly, so I came here and work with the cloud. Sometimes I use ChatGPT to do it. In other cases, as I said, I create on Figma some parts of the design and paste, for example, here to replace them as I wanted, for example, right? And in some other parts, I just use this editor here. So, well, that's a little bit of the process, the tools and the results, and what I try to do on this challenge.